Hi everyone, this is Anne. I have a great tip for you today for rejuvenating the hands. And as we age, we can lose volume in our hands, the veins start to show more, and we can develop some dark spots. So I wanted to share with you one of my all-time favorite products that addresses all of these issues, and this is one of my must-have products. This is not sponsored. I just wanted to share with you the product that has really helped me to improve the look of my hands. And it worked after the very first night I used it. I woke up and my hands looked so much younger, so much better. Even my daughter noticed later that day and said something about my hands looking better. So I know that it works and I love this product, so just thought I would share it with you in case it might help somebody else. I will go ahead and put the product links beneath this video down in the description box in case you want to read more about this product or do some price comparisons. And I'll link it to a couple different stores so you can compare prices. I think they usually run about the same, which is about $29. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy my videos. If you haven't already subscribed, I hope that you subscribe. The product is by Strivectin, and it's their volumizing hand cream. This helps to repair the skin barrier, it plumps and volumizes, and it helps to fade discoloration. It comes in a 2-ounce little bottle, and one tip I have when you get to the end of the bottle, like I am on this one, just unscrew the cap, and then you can squeeze a lot more out of it and get a lot more uses from it. And I finished this one. I have one for my purse and I have a replacement. So all in all, I have 3 of them. I love these so much. I don't want to be without them. And you can use this on other places as well. I have used it on my face and my neck before, and when I woke up, my skin was nicely hydrated and plumped, and it works great. So I would highly recommend this product if you've never tried it. This product absorbs really well, and it is non-greasy. I just apply a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I rub the backs of my hands together. It absorbs really quick, and I apply a little bit at nighttime before I go to bed, and then I apply it in the morning. I also carry a little bottle in my purse, and I'll apply it kind of midway throughout the day. I really love this product. I hope you try it if you need to add some volume to your hands. And if you've ever tried this product, please comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.